ya kana kirumaniririo mwakaini uyu kuri athaki marakomirie thukuru wa strathmore mbao 17 hari mbao 12 mitikaini cia finals ro hamwe na iria irathakiirwo mucii munene wa Nairobi.
I think winning the finals about missing it twice from Mombasa and then Prinsloo. So coming out and gathering the mental strength to be able to go all the way and getting to a final, it was a plus. So it's just a mental boost. They've won the last one. They have a break now to prepare more for the next one. So we'll still keep on working. There's a lot that we still need to adjust to be able to be that unique team that can go all the way and win both teams. So we'll keep on pushing ourselves and see if we can get everything right in the next one.
No, I think the boys have come in well. We had two different circuits. I mean, driftwood and thukuru. Prinsloo didn't come out very well, but we built up as a team, and we know that as a team, KCB is a fantastic rugby team, and we knew it's a matter of time before we pick up. So the boys have done a very good job. We're very proud as a bank that the investment we are making in the whole rugby, you know, is trying to bring fruit, and we're very, very excited that we've won this. I mean, we are as good as the next, you know, the last competition. So we are going with the next one, you know, in the TISAP with a lot of energy, with a lot of focus, with a lot of confidence. And I think we will continue to put the work in to ensure that we drive rugby to the right level.
Na timu ya mufira